make the best water pump ever. How does the sprinkler work?
Okay, I'll check it out now.
It is running smoothly and performing excellently. Let's release the fish. The fish are sick. How can we help them to recover?
Medicine.
Ooh.
That's wonderful. The fish have recovered. It's time to catch all the fish. What should we do?
Woohoo!
A lot of fish have been caught. Sell all the fish and get money. Fantastic. I'm gonna be rich.
Oh no! The train's on fire! Oh! Someone call 911!
Don't worry, we're here. The fire's going down. Keep spraying. Fire's out, but how to fix the train?
Then we'll build a mobile auto service.
Okay, let's get started.
Oh, wow.
Mobile auto service is here.
Whoa!
Run the crane. Now lower it. Train's back on the tracks. Start fixing it, guys.
Whoa! I'll pick out some tools for the repair. Whoa! It's badly damaged. We need to rebuild a lot. Oh! Finally done.
Thanks! I'd be lost without you guys!
You're welcome.
Wow, the train's much smoother now!
Man, what a busy day.
Yeah, we're not done yet, but
Mobile auto service is back to work.
A small coastal town.
My fish baskets are full. Where's the fish cart?
Oh no, so pitiful.
Transporting fish like this is too risky.
Is there a safer way, Mr. Mayor?
I'll use the city's fund to build a skitran. Let's see our brand new skitran for transporting fish, powered by futuristic science. This train will deliver fish faster and absolutely safe.
So from now on, no more accidents.
I want to see it run, Mayor.
Alright, let's run our skitran.
Whoa!
Wow, the skitran just flew past the train with no problem.
Look, incredible.
Oh!
The fish delivering train has arrived.
Yeah, please load up this pile of fish for me.
All the fish are loaded. Next stop, ahead.
Oh!
Can you please carry all 5 crates of fish for me?
Oh no, the train is full. We need to add more cars. Next stop.
Whoa!
Next stop.
Now, there are no more accidents in our modern city.
Someone call an ambulance.